This is the Infinix Hot 10T, a 65,000 naira or $150 phone. It comes with a 90Hz screen refresh rate, 5000 mAh of battery, Helio G17 chipset, 64 gigs of storage space, and 4 gigs of RAM. What's up guys, it's Victor here again. In this video, I'll quickly unbox and review this new exciting product from Infinix. As always, I have timestamps in the description box below as table of contents to various sections of this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and ring that bell icon so that you'll be notified the next time and every other time I post a new video like this one. The Infinix Hot 10T comes in a very familiar green packaging, and this color here is called Heart of Ocean, which is a very weird name in my own opinion. First in the box is the phone itself, covered with a sticker bearing all the key specs of the device. Next is a box housing an S-Club welcome dollar bill. By the way, I have a page on S-Club. I'll be really happy if you connect with me on S-Club. You'll find me on S-Club at Real Victor Praiz. I can't wait to have you on board. We also have an X-Pack literature here, a heart protective case for protecting your device, a flexible rubbery screen protector. I am not sure why it wasn't pre-installed. There is also a SIM ejector tool here. Further in the box is a micro USB 2.0 cable for charging and file transfer, an obligatory Infinix earpiece, and a 10-watt charger. The Infinix Hot 10T is made from a plastic material, which means you can put this phone through a lot of things and it will still be good. The device feels sturdy and the build is solid too. I love the curved line pattern on the back. It's good that they didn't leave the design of the back flat. On the left of the device is the SIM hole that houses 2 nano 4G SIMs and a memory card. On top of the device is nothing. On the right edge are the 2 volume adjustment buttons and a power button. The bottom side features a 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone, a micro USB port for charging and data transfer, and the speaker grill. The back features a camera array in a square mount, consisting of a 48MP main shooter, a 2MP depth sensor, and a third unknown camera that completes the camera count to 3. Just beneath the camera is a quad LED flashlight. You also find the fingerprint sensor on the back, which is blazing fast. Finally on the back is the Infinix branding. Up front is a 6.82 inches HD Plus Ultra Smooth display, as they called it. It has a very noticeable tear-shaped notch housing the 8MP front camera. The display has a high refresh rate of 90Hz, which is kind of what we now expect on mid-range phones. On the top edge of the display are 2 LED flashlights flushed into the bezel. The display is decent with a satisfactory color reproduction and vividness. Contrast is also good. You quickly notice the effects or perk of a higher refresh rate once you start scrolling pages on this device. It's really good that Infinix is bringing 90Hz refresh rate to mid-range devices in this price bracket. The Infinix Hot 10T comes powered by the Helio G17 processor, which has a very good track record. Scrolling and overall system navigation is buttery smooth. It also comes with 4GB of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. If you ever need more space to store your files, there is another variant of the Infinix Hot 10T with 128GB of storage space, which costs 72,000 Nigerian Nairas. The Infinix Hot 10T has a 5000 mAh battery accompanied by a 10-watt charger and some micro USB goodness. Micro USB is something that many people, including me, would classify as a deal breaker, especially in 2021. But Infinix, on the other hand, keeps insisting that we all should calm down. The Infinix Hot 10T comes with Android version 11 and XOS 7.6. XOS 7.6 comes packed with a lot of nifty features as well as a lot of bloats. On here you get gestural features like tapping to wake your device, using gestures to control music playback, and answering a phone call with a gesture. You also get an app cloner called S-Clone, which basically allows you to make duplicate accounts on messaging and social apps such as WhatsApp, Messenger, and Instagram. Apart from the fingerprint reader, which I mentioned earlier as a remarkably fast and reliable piece of tech, there is also a face unlock system that is also fast and works most of the time. You made it this far into this video, that means you are enjoying this video. Please do subscribe and ring the bell icon to be notified when I post a more detailed video highlighting some of the things I can't mention about the Infinix Hot 10T in this video. The camera performance of the Infinix Hot 10T is satisfactory, and these are pictures I took with the Infinix Hot 10T straight out of the box. I'll be doing a camera test of the Infinix Hot 10T in another video, so watch out for that video. Now, my impression of the Infinix Hot 10T after meeting it briefly for the first time. I think it's a solid device for its price. I mean, it comes with 90Hz screen, 5000 mAh battery, Android 11, Hello G70, 64 gigs or 128 gigs of storage. However, I feel it could have been a better device with a Type-C USB port and cable, since every other thing is moving towards that direction and it simply makes sense to be on the winning side. But that doesn't mean the Infinix Hot 10T is on the losing side. It's still a solid buy, a very good phone and a very good bang for your buck if you eventually choose this device. And I totally recommend it to somebody who needs a phone and doesn't mind the presence of a micro USB port on a phone in 2021. Please do subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon, like, share this video. If it was helpful, leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching this one, and I'm gonna see you when I see you in the next one. Peace. What if I know they record this thing since? Ask him, what if I know they record this thing? It happen now.
But the record, see